Welcome back to Spy Garage.
In the recreational vehicle RV market, the 2026 Prevost Motorhome is the pinnacle of elegance and engineering, a remarkable combination of luxurious living and reliable mobility. Prevost vehicles offer an unmatched degree of structural integrity, riding quality, and customization since they are painstakingly built on top of a premium touring coach chassis, setting them apart from traditional motorhomes. The carefully designed chassis of the 2026 Prevost Motorhome, which is based on the company's well-known touring coaches, is its cornerstone. Characteristics of this platform include a completely integrated stainless steel framework, which offers remarkable strength and longevity, is a component of Prevost's distinctive construction process. The vehicle's longevity and safety are greatly improved by this design. Advanced suspension and powertrain. Prevost motorhomes offer an exceptionally quiet and smooth ride thanks to their powerful diesel engines and cutting-edge suspension systems. These engine setups are made to withstand the heavy loads and requirements of upscale travel. Customization possibilities. For custom motorhome conversions, the Prevost chassis acts as a blank canvas, allowing owners to customize every element of their living area to their own specifications. A 2026 Prevost motorhome's interior is a monument of unwavering luxury, with features like customized design and materials. High-end materials, such as exquisite leathers, exotic woods, and specially made fixtures, are used in interior designs. Integrated smart home technology. Cutting-edge technology creates a sophisticated and practical living space by seamlessly integrating security, entertainment, and climate control systems. Large living areas. Carefully thought-out layouts and slide-out portions make the most of interior space while evoking a feeling of home grandeur. A niche in the RV market, the 2026 Prevost Motorhome serves discriminating consumers who expect the highest level of performance and luxury. Important market attributes consist of ultra-high-end segment. The finest in RV luxury are Prevost motorhomes, which are priced to reflect their outstanding quality and personalization. Custom conversion experts. Prevost works with top conversion firms that focus on turning the chassis into custom, high-end RVs. Businesses such as Liberty Coach, Marathon Coach, and others focus on tailored experiences. With careful attention to detail and craftsmanship, each Prevost motorhome is a distinctive representation of its owner's preferences and way of life. The electronics in these luxury coaches will be much more sophisticated in 2026. Advanced connectivity. Highly expensive Wi-Fi routing systems and Starlink high-performance internet will be standard. Entertainment systems. These coaches will be equipped with large 4K and 8K TVs, as well as top-of-the-line surround sound systems. Automation. Almost every feature of the RV, including the lighting, security, and climate control, will be managed by smart home technology. For those looking for the best, the 2026 Prevost Motorhome offers an unmatched travel experience by combining engineering prowess with opulent living.